guys, so today I'm going to be working on a kind of get ready with me while I do a St. Patrick's Day look. So I'm going to be working with the 35C Morphie palette. I'm going to prime my face first. I have this new primer. It's the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Primer. I ordered this because I wanted something kind of for like aging to kind of try and hide my fine lines and wrinkles, because right here I feel like I'm getting such big deep wrinkles that I'm starting to get like super self-conscious. So what I do like about this so far is that it has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's supposed to help really smooth out and even up the skin. So for that first, perfect base. Okay, so I'm gonna be working with my eyes first, as usual. Here's the palette and here's the colors. I totally can't wait to play in like all of these really pretty pink colors. Maybe I'll do like a springtime pink and purple look. I don't know. But first I'm going to put on this color. It is kind of a mauve color. It's called Cute Shoes. So I just did Cute Shoes. Now I'm going to be going to this color called Getting Ready. I'm going to just start working this on the outer corner and kind of pushing it up into my crease. So now I'm going to go in with this color here. It's called My Pleasure. This is kind of, it looks like kind of like an olive green color. I'm going to just push this, even though it doesn't look green at all, on my eyeball. Does that look green to you guys? Because it surely does not look green to me. Okay. So I'm gonna just kind of put this in my crease and then bring it up a little onto my brow bone. And now I'm gonna go into this green color. It's called Just Perfect. Just Perfect. It is a matte green. Okay, so now I'm going to take this shimmery green. It's called RSVP Yes. Okay. I guess I can see some reflection of green. I'm just going to kind of put this in the middle and over the other green. Now I'm going to do this color here. It has like a green tinge to it. It's called Weekend Plans, like a brown greenish tinge. I'm going to put that in the inner corner here. Then I'm going to take that matte green. I'm going to go on the underneath of my eye. I think I'm going to settle for that. So just as this is sitting on my skin, this Kevyn Aucoin primer, I feel like it mattifies my skin, which I don't like. I want more of like a dewy primer, so I might have to shop around a little bit for that. Okay, so now I'm going to try this. This is a new foundation that is way too light for me. I just struggle with finding the right match. So I'm gonna look super goth in a sec. It is like a shade too light, which I don't like. This is the Skin Illuminating foundation in number 2. Light EF2 is what it is. Just wanted to commit to this whole look. I haven't used a liquid foundation in a really, really long time. Yeah, I just think like this foundation color is just a little too light for me. I mean, what do you guys think? When I tried it on last time, I used a brush, so I don't know if that's gonna make a difference or if it is too light. I don't know. I'm such a bad judgment on my own skin for some reason, you know? I don't know. But then it kind of evens out once you put on like all of your like, you know, contouring and blush and all of that. So it's just a little interesting. I'm just kind of going around looking for like a brand that I like, because now that I've left my Lime Life brand that I'm used to, I'm trying to just see if there's like another foundation that I like that I can use not only on myself but on like my clients too. Like I liked being with Lime Life, but it just kind of got to that point to where it just wasn't fun anymore. Like, have you ever been in that situation? Like, you've been doing something for so many years and then it just suddenly became not fun. Okay, so now that I have it all on and I look good vampire-ish, yeah, I think I might, if I like this, I'm gonna order like a darker color. But I do like how it sits on my skin. I do like how it feels. I like that it does have like a dewiness to it. Other than the wrong color, I think it's fine and great. I'm gonna add some like freaking contour because I need to add some color back into my fucking face. It's hard finding a foundation, like buying online. When you're buying stuff online, like who knows what you're gonna get, especially if you've never purchased that brand before. Let's add some blush, shall we? Add some color into our face. Fantastic. There we go. Now we're looking a little human. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna get, I mean, I have to try this foundation out again to see if I do like it. I mean, I do like it. I think it sits on the skin really well. So illuminating foundation. I do like it. I do like how it sits on my skin and kind of, it doesn't give me like that dull feeling or dull look. Yeah, I just need like a darker color of it. Other than that, I think it's great. So I just bought this lash glue. This is the Lock On Lashes in black, latex-free adhesive. Have you guys ever used this? At first, when I was putting it on my lash, I was just like, wow, that's the thickest glue I've ever used. But I kind of like it because it like sticks right on and you don't have to like wait till it's tacky or anything. So tell me what you think about this look. I'm actually kind of liking it. Like, it was a lot darker of a green than I'm used to, but it kind of matches my shirt. But yeah, I'm actually liking this combo together. I feel like it really hides my wrinkles, and the primer super did help. Like it's like the primer makes me feel like it mattifies my skin, which I didn't like at first. But now that I have the foundation on top of it, I feel like it really does a really good job with filling in those fine lines and wrinkles so they don't get accentuated once you put on your makeup, because that is the most frustrating thing for me and my clients that have, you know, mature skin. So I think I might stick with this one. I'm going to try a few others and see how I like them from different brands, but this one is a win. I do like the foundation too. I don't think that it's like super full coverage. I think it's definitely a medium coverage that you can build up. I only put one layer on. I don't like to put a million layers of makeup on, so I think it's kind of a win. I just need a darker color. So anyways, thanks for hanging out with me today, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll drop the link down below where you can buy this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.